Hey everyone, so unfortunately the project that I've been working, making a video, for multiple reasons I couldn't finish it in time. I'm sorry, especially now it's the winter, it's very cold outside, and certain parts that I'm working with, like wiring and stuff like that, I just don't want to damage it. And as you can see, I have a light bar on top, but it's not fully done yet. I really wanted to get that video done, but like I said, unfortunately couldn't get it done in time. So for this week, I'm gonna have one video that I made a while ago, even before I did the Titan swap, but I never uploaded it, so I upload that one. I apologize again. At least it's some kind of video, right? And hopefully by next week, this video is gonna be done. So, sorry guys, but I do my best. And hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. So in today's video, I'm actually gonna be doing something that I wanted to do for quite some time. There is always something that I wanted to do for quite some time, but there is always not enough time for everything. Anyway, so what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm actually gonna be removing these side steps, because in reality, they don't provide any protection or anything, but they actually now just getting in the way of getting inside the truck, and they actually limiting the clearance of the trucks. They kind of stick out even lower, and a lot of Xterra owners they remove them, because down the road hopefully I can just install the rock sliders, and that will gonna be more practical than this, because this doesn't provide any protection to the truck anyways. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And to do that, that's a pretty simple process. We have two screws in the front, in the middle, and in the back, and I believe that's a 12mm socket. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna get my wrench, get under it, and unscrew it. And unfortunately, whenever it comes to my truck, a lot of bolts are pretty rusty, so I don't know how this is gonna work out. So, but we're gonna try to unscrew this. Oh, it's going. I think it's going. I think it's actually working. So right now I'm gonna loosen up the middle screws, which are actually kind of, I think, working. Yeah, okay, I think it's looking promising actually. Oh, not too bad. It looked worse than I thought, guys. I'm actually able to undo these screws, or should I say bolts or nuts for that matter. All right, not too bad, actually not too bad. So now I'm gonna do the same procedure in the back and in the front. Whenever I do the last screw, you gotta make sure you don't drop it on yourself if you work from underneath the car or you have somebody holding it. Alright, so now we're gonna do the back two nuts and the top one. Alright, and this one is out too. And now we're gonna do the front. And alright, and this is our last two screws. It's only 8 screws in total, so not too bad. And doesn't look, even though it looks pretty bad, all rusted, they're actually coming off pretty easy. I'm very surprised. And that's the last screw right now. Once we undo that screw, this whole bar will come out, so just be careful, just slide yourself out so you can remove it without dropping it in yourself. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not that heavy, but just to be on the safe side. And that's the last screw. It's actually gonna be held over there by the bolts, so it's not gonna go anywhere. Great, so all the bolts are out, and the step is still being held by the screws sticking out. So now all we can do is just take it and carefully slide it out. I'm pretty sure it's not that heavy, so anybody can do it, and as a matter of fact, it's super light. And that's it, and it's out. Now I'm just gonna repeat the same procedure on the other side, and that's gonna be about it. And that's it, guys, we're done. It didn't take more than 10 minutes to remove those silly steps, and look at that, it actually looks even higher now. At least what it feels, it looks higher than it before. I really like this this look right now. It looks even better. I know it's not all about the looks, but those steps are actually might cause a potential damage. If you were ever to go off-roading and you hit the side of a step, it might hit into the door. So there are some occasions like that or something. But I really like how it looks right now. So we went from this to this. So that was a very easy and simple thing to do, and I think it improves overall the look and hopefully some kind of performance. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very simple thing to do, and like I said, it's way better, and now it's much easier to get inside the truck and out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and on this note, until next time, everybody, bye.